Hi everyone, this is Jessica from My Mother's Crafts, designing for 12x12 cardstock shop, and today we'll be making a wreath using layered cardstock. When working on a template like this one, I usually like to work my way from the bottom to the top, only because the top pieces are usually a lot more flimsier and delicate. I'll be using my Barely Arts glue with the fine tip to complete this project. I like to firmly run my Cricut brayer through my projects just to make sure everything stays in place and glued together. Be sure to read the description of this video for the list of colors that I used to complete this project, as well as how you can get access to this free file. We're down to the last couple of layers, which are also the most delicate and flimsy. So for these last couple of layers, I'm going to start by gluing down the center first and then moving out towards the rest of the outline. Because of the thin outline, I'm going to focus on only gluing down small portions of the layer. Now that all the layers to my wreath are glued down, I'm going to move on to the Summer Vibes quote. For this, I'm going to use a combination of my Barely Arts glue and cubies. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. Don't forget to check out the description on more information on how you can get access to this file.